A quiet truth many don't say out loud. There's a quiet truth that many people over 60 carry inside, but they don't often say it out loud. It sounds something like this: I gave everything I had to my family, but now I feel like I have nothing left for myself. Maybe you've felt that. You spent decades raising children, working long hours, caring for a spouse, managing a household, and now the house is quieter. The phone doesn't ring as much. You have time, but you're not sure how to fill it. And deep inside, a voice whispers, "What about me?" That voice isn't selfish. That voice is your soul saying, the regret phase, did I do enough? It's time. Time to finally live for you. This isn't the end of your story yet, the beginning of a whole new chapter. After 60, many people begin to reflect deeply, and that reflection often comes with a wave of regret. You might ask yourself, did I enjoy my life enough? Why didn't I take that trip? Why did I always put myself last? It's easy to feel like your best years are behind you. You gave your youth, energy, and dreams to raise a family or support others. Maybe you skipped vacations. Maybe you passed on opportunities. Maybe you let go of hobbies, friends, even your health, because other people came first. And now you feel tired. And part of you thinks, now it's their turn to take care of me. But here's the painful truth. Sometimes they don't. Not because they don't love you, because life is fast. They're caught in their own storms now, just like you once were. So you have two choices: keep waiting or take ownership of your happiness. The awakening. Turning complaints into care. It's okay to feel hurt. It's okay to feel let down. But don't let those feelings control your life. This is your wake-up call. Now is the time to shift. From waiting for others to care, to becoming your own best caretaker. Instead of saying, no one checks on me, ask, have I checked in on myself lately? Instead of saying, no one visits me, ask, when did I last visit me, my dreams, my peace, my health? It's a mindset shift, and it can completely transform how you experience life from this moment forward. Because here's the truth. The quality of your next years depends on how you care for yourself starting now. Start living fully. Let's talk about the how. Because this isn't just spiritual, it's practical too. Number 1, reclaim your relationships. If you have a spouse, this is your time to reconnect, not just as caretakers or parents, but as friends, lovers, partners in joy. Number 2, call your old friends. Don't wait for someone to reach out. You'd be amazed what a simple phone call can do for your spirit. Laughter, memories, support, it's all still there. Number 3, move your body every day. Walk, stretch, garden, dance. Motion is the secret to feeling alive again. Number 4, get serious about your health. Schedule all your routine checkups: blood pressure, blood sugar, heart and cholesterol and prostate exams for men, mammograms and bone scans for women. These aren't just medical checkboxes, they're life protectors. Because if something goes wrong, only you will feel the pain. Number 5, manage your weight with love, not shame. It's not about how you look, it's about freedom to move, breathe, sleep, and live well. Number 6, reignite your curiosity. Learn something new. Cooking, drawing, playing an instrument. Your brain wants to stay young, feed it joyfully. The 2 roads after 60. Let's pause and be real. After 60, you stand at a fork in the road. On one path, depression. It's easy to slip into isolation, hopelessness, and regret, especially if your health declines and your mind stays stuck in what could have been. But on the other path, joy. Joy that comes from being alive, from caring for yourself, from choosing peace daily. It is not how long you live, but how well you live. You're not too old to change your life. You're not too old to fall in love again, to laugh until your sides hurt, to discover something that lights your soul on fire. You are not done. You're evolving, you're deepening. You're blooming in a quieter, wiser way. This next chapter isn't about obligation, it's about intention. Your joy is your responsibility. Here's the message I hope stays with you. You gave your life to others, and that was noble. But now, it's time to give some of that life back to yourself. Don't wait for anyone to come and save you. You are not helpless. You are powerful. Love your body, love your time, love your peace. You have a choice. Let these years slip by, or claim them with courage, grace, and joy. What is one thing you will do this week for your own joy and health? Drop it in the comments. Let's build a positive space for each other. Like this video if you needed this message, subscribe for more uplifting and honest conversations. Share this with a parent, grandparent, or loved one who needs encouragement. Your life after 60 can be the most soulful, joyful, powerful time yet. It starts with a simple promise. I will not give up on myself.